Hello everyone, welcome back to BPO Interview Tutorials. I hope you guys are doing really well. So today we came up with another concept that is on roster management. So before moving to the video, I would like everyone to please click on bell icon and on subscribe option guys, so that you guys can get a notification on all upcoming videos. Also guys, click on the thanks option. I'm really helping you out with the tutorials, and you guys are cracking job because of it. Also do check the playlist guys. You will find videos related to trainers, QA, quality team lead, operation team lead. Also you can find the videos related to KPI management, Six Sigma certification, and also there is a video related to dashboards, reports, and various MS Excel tricks guys. Do check out guys, it will surely help you out if you are preparing for any of the IGPs. Let's start the today's concept guys, that is on importance of roster planning in call center, or else I can also say in BPO. So let's start guys, how we need to plan the roster and why it is important in the call center. I have seen interviewer maybe ask this question if you're preparing for an interview for team lead position, or else like team lead for trainer quality or operation. Mostly this question may get when you're giving an interview for the operation team lead. So let's start the importance of roster planning, and we will understand what is known as roster. First of all, roster, which means that how many associates are aligned to that particular shift who are coming for the working. We need to plan in such a way so that uh, the production will not get impact, and all the associate will be aligned to the shift in a proper way. So we will learn this all information in detail. So first point we can see here, that is roster is also known as rota guys. This is also another name of roster. Because of the roster planning we can run operations smoothly. See guys, if you have planned the roster, if you have planned that which associate need to come in which particular shift, if you have planned that how many associate will do login in this particular shift, so your things will be easy and you can run the operation smoothly. If there is in mismanagement in the roster, there will be loss of huge project production. Maybe there may be a loss in billing, and you will be not able to manage the shift, and you may find the issues with the shift adherence as well. How you will get loss in production guys, for an example, for my particular process I have seen that in the night there is a huge volume wherein we required more number of associate, but if compared to that in the morning we required few number of associate. So I need to plan in that particular way so that I can map my associate to the required productions. So that we need to plan guys. In this way only we can get a good productivity at the end. A perfect roster will bring list of associate and align them in every shift as per the volume. Simple guys, I'll give you an example here. For an example, uh, the daily target of the associate is 20 calls. Okay, and if there are 20 operators or else 100 operators I have with me, the I have seen that in the evening there is a huge number of call volume wherein the associates are getting calls more than 20. At that time I will find that I need to keep more associate in the evening. With compared to the morning, there are call volume is low, so I can go with one or two associate less. That completely fine for me because they will cover up my all the volumes. So in this way we need to plan. Next guys, roster can be prepared by the team lead, and most of the companies we have seen that it will be done by the WFM team post checking the volume what we are getting. So this is all about the importance in the roster guys, and we will plan the roster show so that we will ensure that every shift is occupied, number of associate what we are required is also there, and maybe there is no any overstaff in the sense that the shift wherein we required less associated we kept, but we kept more there. So that should also be not been there. We need to cross check all this very clearly. This is all about the roster management guys. For an example, if we have done the roster properly, what advantage we may get from that? First, we will reduce your shrinkage. How we will reduce our shrinkage? If you want to know more about shrinkage, check out the playlist guys. You will find a video related to attrition and shrinkage with the formula and with the live example. So how we can reduce the shrinkage? For an example, the required associates are coming to the office, and the plan is already being set, and because of the roster planning, few associates are coming with a request that I want to change the shift, I want to come in night, I want to come in morning. You may get such kind of request. Some may come up and they will tell that I want a leave today because my health is not good. So in this way, if the roster is completely planned, or if someone will come and tell that I have a planned leave wherein I need to go out for 2 days. So if that everything is sorted in the roster, the shrinkage will get reduced, guys. So you may be get all the information in a perfect way. Agent satisfaction. So guys, agent are the pillar of the call center or any of the job role, guys, because they are the people who are giving us the production. Because of that, we are getting the salaries and companies earning the money. So we need to keep them happy, satisfied is a main job, guys. So we also can check either any shift, if we can swap the shift, we can also check that either associate required a morning, he's coming up in the evening from last 2 3 months, we can swap that. That totally depend on how the roster is actually prepared. Increase the agent productivity. If your agent are happy, definitely you will get a good productivity at the end. Cost effective, as I already told you guys, if you done over staff in the morning wherein you don't require, and in the evening you are keeping less people because you have not done the roster management properly, that will impact to the cost also, because there will be less production at the end. Intact performance indicator, we can also get a performance of the associate in a proper way on the basis of their plans. So in this way, guys, the roster management play a important role in the company. So whenever you go for an interview, please use all these points to keep the interviewer understand that you know all the pros and cons of the roster if it was not planned properly. So this is all about the roster planning, guys. How to prepare the roster, that completely easy, no need to worry. Just you need to keep the details in the Excel sheet, and you can do it manually also, and there are few tools that are used to prepare the roster. So that is a different story, we will cover up in our upcoming videos, guys, but just understand how and why the roster planning is important. So that's all from my side, guys. If you still have any doubt, please let me know so that I can help you out with understanding about the roster. There is a question for everyone, guys. Please let me know what is different between schedule and roster. Check it out, guys. If you have the answer, please share your feedback in the comment and let me know what is the correct answer. What is different between schedule and the roster? If you don't know, definitely I will work on this particular video and will let you know about it. Please check out our Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn page, guys. There are many information available there related to the job vacancies, and I used to post multiple things about our work, what we are doing, examples, quotes, many things will you will find out there. Check out, guys, and don't miss to subscribe the channel. Thanks a lot, guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.